Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Loom for recording UI walkthroughs and usability reviews, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Loom, go to the Loom website. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Once you enter your email, click continue. Check your inbox for a verification email from Loom. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. This will redirect you back to the Loom website. Now, create a password for your account and click continue. You'll be asked to choose how you plan to use Loom. Select your preference from the options provided. Next, you can opt to install the Loom Chrome extension for ease of use. Follow the prompts to add the extension to your browser. Once installed, you'll see the Loom icon in your toolbar. Click on the Loom icon to open the recording interface. You will need to grant Loom access to your camera and microphone. Select your recording options, such as screen only, camera only, or both. To start recording, click the Start Recording button. Follow the prompts to select which screen or window to record. Once you're ready, click Share Screen to begin. Record your UI walkthrough or usability review as needed. To stop recording, click the Loom icon again and select Stop Recording. After stopping, Loom will automatically upload your video to your account. You can then edit the video, add comments, or share the link. Explore the options to customize your video settings or download it. To manage your videos, head to the Loom dashboard. Here, you can organize your recordings or create new folders. Make use of the analytics features to track your views and engagement. With this guide, you are now ready to create effective UI walkthroughs and usability reviews using Loom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.